Hi, good morning. This is Mel. In this video, I will be repotting my wisteria tree from a big 15-gallon pot to a bonsai pot. Please watch the video. Thank you. This is a wisteria tree that I got summer last year. It has a beautiful base and a lot of good branches, and this is the good time to repot it to a bonsai pot. It has a nice nebari, so I want to expose it. I think this is a nice spot for it. Now a thorough watering after a repot. There is one branch that is growing the wrong way. I put a guy wire on it when it was in the nursery pot many months ago, but still the branch keep moving to the center, so I have to wire this branch. The two thick wires that I put doesn't work, so I have to have a guy wire to help. And here it is for now. The next step is to put it in a safe place until it gets established. And now we go to my yearly routine, which is applying pesticide to my trees early spring or before the spring comes. I use the Bayer's Bio Advanced Tree and Shrub Systemic pesticides. And here are the things you need. You need, of course, the bucket. This is a 5-gallon bucket and a watering can. I have two of them. If I get tired, I use the small one. If I need to get faster, I use the bigger one. So it really doesn't matter what you use. So the ratio is it's 1 2/3 tablespoon per 5-gallon bucket. There are other ratio equivalents, but I always use 5 gallons so that it's easier for me to do it with all the trees I have. I have been doing this for many years now, and I find it very effective. I used to have problems with a lot of pests like aphids and the killers like root aphids and beetle borers, and I had a lot of trees that died from them. And ever since I did this, I never have a problem with the pest anymore. So I'm recommending this because I believe it's effective and it's really working. I just want to share what I think is working with my trees, and I hope you like the video, and I hope you got something from it. Thank you very much for watching.